guys, it's me, Avalon, and Haley. And today we're going to be making slime again. And what we're making it with is a little school glue and a green spoon and little and big foam beads. And the foam beads are optional, and you can use any kind of activator that works for you. Yeah, we're using game. So first we're going to put everything to the side, clear a bowl with your spoon. So first, you're going to start pouring in your first bottle of glue. Yep. Okay. Try to fill the whole bottom of the tray with glue. All the time when I do that, it's always a challenge for me to fill the whole bottom tray of glue. Come on. If you hear noises in the background, it's my little sister going on the water slide. Okay. I haven't filled the whole bottom yet. Mine's still going. Now we're just going to be pouring 2 bottles of glue in. So I'll get back to you guys when it's done. Sorry guys, it's not pausing for some weird reason. It's weird. Okay guys, we had a little dilemma with the pause button, but anyway, so we poured all our glue in. We didn't pour the second one in because we want to do a different color, but we don't. They might. Yeah. So first, I'm just gonna put a little squirts of perfume and put 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't want any perfume in mine. I like to make mine smell good. I'll have it when it's activated. Oh god, it smells a lot. Who smells? So okay, I'm gonna pour in some water because I just feel like it because I want it to be fluffy. If I don't have, it's not gonna be fluffy. It's not gonna be fluffy. Water doesn't make it fluffy. Water makes it weird. I'll be right back, guys. My dad is locked in. So guys, I'm keep mixing, and now after this, we're gonna pour in our activator. Oh, I already poured in some of my activator. Pour in some activator. I broke the spoon in the middle. I broke the spoon in the middle. Sorry, my throat is very, what the heck? Very itchy. You lock the door. Okay. So mine is really coming together. Oh, you need to pour an activator. How'd you pour an activator? Because I got it. Oh, you did? I didn't see you. It's coming together if you don't see. And I actually move the camera up, so this is what it looks like. This is what mine looks like. Hold on, let me mix mine a little. This is what mine looks like. Yep. Okay, we'll get back to you when it is activated. Okay guys, we got it all activated. So it looks really good. We can't play with it on the, no, that's wood. When you stick, so it is still, oh, it doesn't stick? No, it's polished. Oh. So it is really good slime. Actually, I'm not going to put it in the floor of my cabinet or something. Let me know. I don't want mine to have. Oh, mine's look like me. So, it's really good. good. So now I'm just gonna start. I'm gonna do.
Wait, I need that bowl. I need my bowl.
So I'm just gonna spread the whole slime out with my spoon.
I'm putting more activated because it's kind of
That was sticky. Look at that.
that looks cool. It's like butter. Slime.
And this glue makes the best slime. Sometimes.
I love how it turned out. Now let's add the foamies in. Oh, what should I add in?
Look how cool that looks. So I spread it all out.
What should I
I'm
add
gonna add
in?
a little one because I want this to be really cute.
Yeah, I have another bottle, so I'll do it with the little one.
So I'm just gonna open it up. Oh my god, I put one foam. Oh my god, there's this feeling everywhere.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh, pick every single foam bead up that you got.
I will.
I'm gonna try to do this without spilling them. Might pour them all in on accident, but
I'm pouring them in already.
I'm gonna pour most of them in. Oopsie.
Whoa, I just added a
I made
lot.
a mistake and poured a little too much, but
Uh-oh.
I think that's okay.
It's a lot.
Oh my god.
I just added a
Look how
lot.
much foamies I added. Oh my god, I need to show you guys this. Look at that.
Look at how much I did.
Oh my god, look how much I did. Okay.
I'm mixing it in.
So I'm gonna mix it in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't want to get this in. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
This feels so good.
Feels amazing.
Mine feels the best slime I've ever, foam slime I've ever made. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I added the right amount.
I had the perfect amount.
Oh.
This is the best slime I've ever made.
This is actually the best foam bead slime I ever made.
Yeah.
I honestly love this. Oh, it has a nice texture to this.
It has amazing texture. Want to trade and see what ice feels like?
Yeah. Yeah.
I think I'm gonna make I'm gonna make the other bottle and then make more of this.
Wow, that's amazing. Let's try it. Not forever, but like,
Yeah.
wow, good.
This one's so weird.
Does that need to be more foam beads? Why is yours so big?
I added water and I added perfume.
Yeah, the water doesn't do that. I'm gonna add a little bit more.
Okay.
That's enough.
I'm gonna add a little bit more too.
Okay. You already added a lot. Now I don't want to add too much where it all comes out when I touch it.
One time I had that and it was like all over my hands.
Yeah, I have.
But wait, I never had small foam beads in my slime before. Hear that sound?
Ooh, yeah. This is really good.
Oh my god, it's still crunching.
Oh, listen. Wait. Okay. That one's done.
We wouldn't have this slime if we didn't go to the dollar store.
Yeah, we literally just got to go to the because we went to the store.
I'm gonna make another batch. I hope it fits perfectly in here.
I'm making it.
So we have these nice containers. We just bought them. They're brand new. I'm just gonna
That's amazing.
see how it fits in. It fits perfect. I love how it fits in. I'm so excited. Okay, so
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna make my other batch. Right now, I'm so excited to make my other batch because
Now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Shoot, it already is.
Because I love it.
Yeah, I'm gonna make another one too. But
We're gonna use too much time with our video.
no, it's okay. I'll make a part 2 if it shuts out. Because
I need it to cover the whole.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna do exactly what I did.
I didn't
Pour
even
10 squirts of perfume.
Okay, now I'm gonna do this. Should I add the foam bead in before?
No.
I know. I don't want to do that.
Okay, we'll get back to you guys when it's all
Activated. It's all poured in and activated.
So guys,
They
it's
are
fully made.
activated.
Kind of stiff.
Mine is kind of stiff because I accidentally added a lot of activator on accident. But
we're gonna create some and see how ours came out, and then we're gonna switch back and put in the foam beads. Go.
okay. Oh yeah, mine is really stiff.
I like yours.
I like mine too.
So come on.
I'm gonna add my activator. Wow.
Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just spread my slime out.
Here, scissors. Okay. I'm going. Oh, there's activator in my container. Can I use that red container?
No.
Oh, never mind. I'll use this then. I'm adding the big foam beads now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, God.
Good.
Haley doesn't have any of the big foam beads, so I'm going to let her use some of mine.
Thank you.
Uh-oh. Okay, here.
Ooh! Looking up on you.
I'm sorry, Haley. Sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry if I make a mess. Oh, okay, that's a lot.
Have some?
Oh, yeah.
Try a little more. A little more. I'm joking.
Oh, my phone.
Oh. Okay, guys.
Don't shoot that.
Okay.
It's not a big enough container, Haley. Oh, it is.
Oh my god, I just need to take it all up.
Oh, I guess I'm going to do the next one.
Oh, I like it.
I'm going to add the rest. Maybe.
Can I have a little bit more? Can I have the rest?
Well, now I have no more of the big foam beads.
I have a lot more little.
I have a lot more little foam beads now. A lot.
I'm just gonna add the rest in mine.
Oh gosh.
Oh my god.
I added a lot of big foam beads.
Ready?
Whoa.
Ready?